150.00 millimeters.
Audit 150 even.
Checking thickness now. Ready?
Ready when you are.
Ease it down slowly. Watch the alignment. Coming down, ready to secure.
All right, ease it down steady. Copy, watching the gap. Good. Push left, align the mark. Aligned, hold it there.
How does that measurement look on your end?
Yep.
Hold steady. Inputting the final coordinate now. Looks good.
This section looks clean visually.
Signal is good, no internal flaws detected.
Check the toe of the weld.
Scanning now, looks solid.
Okay, this one is approved.
Lowering now, one side first. Turn down. All right, let's get this aligned. Ready, turning now. Hold it steady there. Alignment looks good. Good. Okay, this flange needs securing. Aligning the faces now. Tightening this bolt down. Connection is solid.
Okay, port 3 is connected.
Confirmed. I'm routing the green bundle now.
Check the schematic on screen 2.
Looks good. Inserting now.
Great, testing the circuit.
Okay, connecting the probes to check voltage.
Readings look stable. What's the current?
Adjusting to 20 milliamps, confirming flow.
Confirmed. Pressure is holding at 50 psi.
Good. Let's log it and move on. This section is secure. How's the next one? Ready. Just need the brackets aligned. Got it. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
All right, oven's in. Check the countertop.
Looks good. I'll secure it. Power on, check the level.
Power's on. Testing functions now. Good torque. Countertop is secure. Check this seam for alignment. Looks good, no gaps. Marking the base here. Good. Now the countertop finish.
Polish, no scratches.
Excellent. Move on.
Keep it steady on that seam. Got it. Looking smooth. Let's check the finish under brighter light. Right. The gloss looks good, but let's check for microbubbles. Agreed. Any imperfections could affect durability. None so far. Perfect. Let's log it.